monitoring AI apps and the Salla partners, Agent Kit, a quick look at keeping a shipped AI feature healthy, then the main focus, using AI to build on Salla itself. Briefly, optimize latency by streaming, caching, and using smaller models where they fit. Track 4 metrics: response time, success rate, cost, and merchant satisfaction. And watch for quiet decline, sampling real outputs weekly and rechecking quality after every model change. Now the main focus, using AI to build on Salla itself. The Salla Partners Agent Kit connects AI coding tools directly to the partners platform. Instead of jumping between docs, the partners portal, and your editor, you describe what you want to build, and the agent handles the rest. The kit has 2 parts. First, skills, knowledge files that teach the agent how Salla apps work, the OAuth lifecycle, webhook contracts, app functions, storefront snippets, billing, and publication. The agent reads them silently before acting, and skills can be used on their own as a read-only reference, without connecting the MCP. Second, partners, MCP, a remote server that gives the agent real actions it can take on your behalf, creating apps, configuring OAuth, subscribing to events, managing settings, and publishing to the App Store. Connecting the MCP is what turns the skills from reference material into an agent that can actually act on the partner's portal, instead of you handwriting portal API calls. Here's what that looks like in practice. You describe a goal, say, Ali, add a subscription billing plan to my app. The agent picks the relevant skill, loading the exact rules and constraints for billing. Partners, MCP, takes the action, creating the plan on the partner's portal directly, and you review, not retype. The portal reflects it immediately, ready to check. Before you install, you need 3 things: a Salla partner account, Node.js 18 or higher, and a supported AI client like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Copilot, Gemini CLI, Hermes, Claude Desktop, or any HTTP MCP client. There are 3 ways to get started. Install via plugin. One command that installs both skills and MCP together, recommended for most developers. Skills only, manually adding individual skill files without connecting MCP, for a read-only setup. Or connect MCP, adding the partner's MCP to a client that already has the skills installed to move from reference to action. Beyond the kit, a few resources are worth bookmarking. Official AI SDKs for Anthropic, OpenAI, and Gemini. A versioned library of tested prompt templates for common commerce tasks. The official model context protocol documentation and server examples. And frameworks for structured AI output evaluation. Full setup steps live at docs.salla.dev under dev tools and on GitHub at sallaapp/salla-. Partners-agent-kit. To summarize, optimize latency, track the 4 core metrics, and recheck quality after every model change. The Agent Kit connects AI coding tools directly to the partner's platform. Skills teach the agent how Salla apps work, and Partners MCP lets it act. And you can install via plugin for the fastest path, or start with skills only as reference.